Come on.
Okay. Jada is, she's teaching them how to dance.
My brush, sorry.
What do you want on first, girl? I'll sit on you. Don't make me hump you right now. Because you know I will. Exactly. I'm sexy and I know it.
Yeah. How can you do that?
Even I can do that.
You hump the air. Okay, cameras do not see that. Bro, don't make me get up on you.
That's why you need to learn how to dance so that doesn't happen.
Girl, look at that. Bye.
This is what they see. Jada. Don't sit on that swing. Okay, I'm gonna stop this. So we're getting illegal. So.